This is Lesson 7, Spreadsheet Computations. Our learning target is I can use a spreadsheet as a calculator to find solutions to word problems. A spreadsheet is a kind of calculator. Cells in a spreadsheet can have numbers, formulas, or labels. Labels can't be used in formulas, but numbers and other formulas can. Sometimes an equal symbol must be typed before the expression in the cell. Submit the formula or compute the calculation by pressing the Enter key or tapping a check mark. There are specific symbols used to tell a spreadsheet program what math calculations to do. Here you can see these symbols. Here is the symbol to add, subtract or indicate negative numbers, multiply, divide, write fractions, indicate exponents, indicate decimal points, and clarify what operations to compute first. This table shows formulas as they would be written in a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet formulas just look a bit different from what we're used to with other typical mathematical expressions. The first formula is equals sine 3 caret 5. We write that as 3 to the 5th power with an exponent. The next formula is equals sine 12 divided by 6. This expression can be written a few ways. One way is using a division sign, 12 divided by 6. The third formula is equals 2 asterisk parentheses 4 plus 3 parentheses. This is the same as 2 times parentheses 4 plus 3 parentheses. The parentheses tell us to add the 4 and the 3 before multiplying by the 2. The last formula is equals sine mean parentheses 5 to 8 parentheses. This formula tells the spreadsheet to calculate the mean of a set of numbers. Remember that the mean is the same as the average. So we would add the numbers together and divide by the number of numbers. In this case, we would add 5 plus 2 plus 8 in the parentheses, followed by dividing by 3, since there are 3 numbers. Here's an example of using a spreadsheet as a calculator to solve problems. This spreadsheet should compute the total amount of smoothie mix needed based on the number of servings, ounces of fruit per serving, and ounces of yogurt per serving. In the spreadsheet, we can see in cell B1 that there will be 10 servings of smoothie mix. We can see that in cell B2 that each serving of smoothie has 6 ounces of fruit. In cell B3, we can see that each serving of smoothie has 4 ounces of yogurt. We can write a formula for cell B4 to calculate the total ounces of smoothie mixed by multiplying the number of servings by the total ounces of yogurt and fruit combined per serving. Using the spreadsheet, a formula for that would be equals B1 asterisk parentheses B2 plus B3 parentheses. If we write our formula in the spreadsheet, we know that the number that appears in cell B4 would represent the total ounces of smoothie mix. This formula tells us that we need to calculate 10 times 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10 times 10 to give us 100 total ounces of smoothie mix. Now we're going to see what happens if the value in cell B1 is changed to be 15. This would mean that we are now calculating 15 times 6 plus 4. The output of the formula, represented by cell B4, would now be 150.